So as a Better Proposals customer and user, you should be pretty familiar with the idea that Better Proposals is it's a proposal platform. But there are actually some other uses for it as well. One of which would be using it for milestone sign-off within projects. So say for argument's sake, keeping things nice and simple, let's just say for argument's sake you're a web designer and you have various different phases of this. So your proposal would be the first phase. That would be getting the project agreed, the fees agreed, and all that kind of stuff. At that point, you might take a deposit from them. Then maybe you have, say at the midway point of the project, you would do all the design work and then you'd maybe get them to sign that design work off and then move on to the development phase of it. But the biggest problem that an awful lot of people face in the small business world is you have very personal relationships with your clients. And actually it's quite difficult sometimes when they kind of push back, oh, can we do this? Can we do that? Oh, I've just seen this thing now. Can we do that? That's called scope creep. And it's a very difficult thing to manage. So what I want to kind of encourage you to do is use the platform that you're already using for your proposals and also use it as milestone sign-off as well. So in this web design example, you would get them to sign off the design aspect of the project with the understanding that they now can't change it, and if they do, there is some sort of penalty, be it financial or whatever. Now that actually stops them from pushing back and means that you can finish your projects on time and make your business an awful lot more profitable than maybe it would be if people were pushing back. So consider milestone sign-off another use for Better Proposals. And I'll chuck one other thing in here as well. Because of the payment integrations we've got with Stripe, PayPal and Go Cardless, if you're already using this is even better for taking the entire project fee, do the whole thing through Better Proposals. So an ideal scenario would be send the proposal and get a 50% sign off, do the design sign off and get maybe another 30%, and then send another one right at the very end to sign off the project completely and finish it and get that remaining 20%. So there's some ideas there. Some of them might fit, some of them might not, but hopefully that's given you some ideas as to different ways that you can use Better Proposals.